Hello kids, I'm super happy that you are here. Today we're going to start by doing a review about the activities that we did yesterday. Yesterday we read a story from the Step Inside book, and that story was Snow White. We also did some activities about this, and we read the story, and as you told me, you already knew this story. So, and if you haven't sent me your activities for yesterday, and you should do it right now. Please try not to be delayed by sending me your activities and all your work, because it's going to help you a lot with your grades, con tu calificación. So please send your activities also for the Step Inside book. And today we're going to learn a new topic, the new grammar for Unit 3, and it's called In My House. But we're going to learn how to ask where is an object, where are some objects in the house. We're also going to learn how to answer to these kind of questions. So we need to focus on which is plural and which ones are singular, okay? So right now I'm going to show you this, and it's going to help us to understand a little bit this topic. So here I have a picture of a room. What room is it? Is it the kitchen? Is it the garden? Is it the kitchen, the living room? What other? Is it the bedroom? Is it the dining room? Or the living room? What room is this one? So this is the bedroom. This is a bedroom. As you can see, we have some different objects. We have a window, and we have a clock. We have some pictures of a lion, of elephant. We have some toys. We have a dresser. This is a dresser. We have a backpack, we have a bookshelf with books, we have a bowl, and we have the bed. We have two beds and a lot of toys. So, this is the bedroom, okay? These are the normal things that we have in a bedroom. So now, how do we ask about an object? Like, for example, if I want to know where is an object, the location of the place that an object is. So we need to pay attention if the object or the objects in this case is in singular or plural. Remember, singular is when we are talking about only one object, and plural is when we are talking about two or more, okay? So, for example, if I want to ask about only one object, for example, we have only a clock, we have only a dresser, we have only a bookshelf, we have only a window, one window. So, if I want to ask about these objects, for example, in this case, I'm going to ask about the backpack. You can look at this, and the backpack is in red. Where's the backpack? You need to ask by starting with where's, or where is the same. Where's the backpack? ¿Dónde? And you might say it's because it's singular. It's on the dresser. So in this case, we are going to practice and use the prepositions of place that we learned: under, in front of, in, between, next to, and the rest of the prepositions of place that we learned when we were studying these English classes. So we might say it's because it's singular, it's only one. It's on the dresser, sobre, on the dresser, and this is the dresser, and the backpack is on the dresser. Very good. So what happens? What's the difference if we are talking about objects in plural? We are going to change the question to where's to where are. Where are the beds? ¿Dónde? The beds. If you can look at this, we have one bed, we have two beds. So we might say, instead of saying it's, we are going to say they're or they are. They're in the bedroom. Okay, here we have another preposition of place. In, dentro, remember? In the bedroom. So let's pay attention to it. When we have singular, like a backpack, because we have only one backpack, we're going to ask, where's the backpack? And you're going to say, it's on the dresser. Okay, this is singular. What happens if we have plural? Well, we are going to say, where are the beds? And the answer is going to be, they're in the bedroom. Okay, later in the next classes, the next week, I'm going to show you like some other examples so you can keep practicing. Now we are going to go to the next topic, and it's much easier. It's not that difficult. We're going to talk about possessive. Okay, these possessive are used when we want to express or talk about some object and the owner, okay, el dueño del objeto o quien es dueño de tal objeto. For example, it is possessive apostrophe, this like little line like an accent que parece un acento pero no es. It's called apostrophe, se llama apóstrofe, okay? Apostrophe es or es apostrophe, okay? We are going to learn how to use and differentiate when to use apostrophe es or es apostrophe. Vamos a diferenciar cuando usamos apóstrofe s o s apóstrofe. So, the first rule, we have the two rules. The first rule is this one, and this is the second rule. So, when we have singular nouns, we add s. In this case, I wrote my name because I'm a singular noun or a singular subject, and we are going to have like Marcela, and I will add apostrophe s, okay? Marcelas, okay? You just add apostrophe s and that's it. And I will say, this is Marcela's phone. And I added this around, that it means that the phone belongs to Marcela. Eso quiere decir, apostrophe s, quiere decir que el celular que tenemos le pertenece a quién? A Marcela. Okay? And you can also say, this is Diego's notebook. Esta es la libreta de Diego. Or for example, we will say this is Aaron's bottle. Esta es la botella de Aarón, okay? So, what happens if we have a plural or if we have a name that ends with s? For example, we have Jeremías. We wouldn't add Jeremías plus apostrophe s. Si ya termina en S, lo que vamos a hacer es simplemente añadir apostrophe. It's not necessary to add another S. It will be like Jeremías or Jeremías with apostrophe at the end. Let's check one example. They are Jeremías books. Okay, here we have, like, if the name finishes with S, we're not going to add another S. Si el nombre termina con S, no vamos a agregar otra S. O si es plural, for example, dogs. This is the dog's toy. Este es el juguete de los perros, okay? Because it's plural, we're not going to add another S. You can look at this. So, paying attention to Jeremías books, they are Jeremías books, okay? Estos son los libros de ¿quién? Jeremías, okay? We added just the apostrophe. Right now, we're going to do the activities on page 33. And these are the activities about the topics that we learned today. And we have, yes, where's the TV is a topic that we just learned. It's on the table. Where are the chairs? They're in the living room. Exercise 11. Write it's or their. 1. Where's the computer? Blank, in the living room. Where's my jacket? Black, in the closet. Number 3. Where are my glasses? Blank, on the table. Number 4. Where's the dresser? Blank, next to the bed. So you just need to pay attention if we are talking about a singular or a plural. Number 1, computer, singular. Number 2, jacket, singular. Number 3, glasses. Yeah, that's plural. Where's the dresser? Number 4, that's singular too. Okay, so you just need to answer by using its or their. And for activity 12, we are going to pay attention to it. My mother's cell phone is on the dresser. Ben's keys are on the table. In this case, we are only going to use apostrophe s. So it says, where's backpack? And we have that the pronoun, the subject is, the pronoun, the name is from Hannah's. So the backpack needs to be belonged by Hannah. So the example that I'm going to give you is, where's Hannah's backpack? You are going to use the name that they are giving you between paréntesis. Vas a usar el nombre que te están dando entre paréntesis and add apostrophe s y añadir apostrophe s, like Dylan's, Joe's, brothers, grandma's. Okay, you need to pay attention. If you have questions about this, please send a message to me and I'll be helping you, of course. We also have a notebook activity because it's super important that we practice this. And it says copy on your notebook and complete using its or their. Number 1, where's the microwave? Blank, in the kitchen. Number 2, where are the shoes? Blank, in the dresser. Number 3, where are the keys? Blank, on the table. Number 4, where's the laptop? Blank, behind the TV. Yeah, that's it. We don't have any more activities for today, and that's it. Please remember, if you have questions about the activities or the topic weren't that clear, the next week I'm going to be explaining one more time so we can finish unit 2 on time this time. Yes, so I'll see you the next week. Please take care, please wash your hands as many times as you can. Stay at home, be safe with your family, and enjoy your weekend at home. And I'll see you the next week on Monday. And be on time. Goodbye.